Bingo Cash payment declines usually happen because of payment verification issues, account details, app problems, or restrictions from the payment provider. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons a Bingo Cash payment method gets declined and the exact troubleshooting steps to check before trying the payment again. Start by checking that your payment information is entered correctly. A single mistake in card details, billing information, or account information can cause a payment attempt to fail. Open the payment section in Bingo Cash and review the information connected to your account. Confirm that the payment method details match your actual payment account. Next, check whether your payment method itself is working outside the app. Try another transaction with the same card or payment account. If other payments are also failing, the issue may be with the bank or payment provider instead of Bingo Cash. Another common cause is a security check from your bank. Banks sometimes block unfamiliar or gaming-related transactions until they confirm the activity is legitimate. Check your banking app or contact your payment provider to see if there is a declined transaction alert or a temporary restriction. If your payment method works elsewhere, restart the Bingo Cash app and check for updates. An outdated app version can sometimes create problems with account features, including payments. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install any available Bingo Cash update. Then reopen the app and try the payment process again. You can also check whether your account has any pending verification steps. Some payment systems require additional information before processing transactions. Open your Bingo Cash account settings and complete any available verification requests before attempting another payment. If the payment method continues to be declined, avoid repeatedly submitting the same payment attempt. Multiple, failed attempts may trigger additional security checks. Try removing and adding the payment method again if the app allows it. Re-entering the information can fix errors caused by outdated or incomplete payment details. If none of these steps work, the issue may require help from Bingo Cash support or your payment provider. Provide the exact error message, the payment method used, and when the decline happened so they can identify the problem faster. The quickest checklist is simple. Verify your payment details, check with your bank, update Bingo Cash. Complete account verification and contact support if the decline continues. Your next step is to review the payment details first because it takes the least time and can fix the issue immediately. If this guide helped you fix your Bingo Cash payment problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.